Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy RPL Rocket Pool on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will log into our account on coinbase.com and after that you will arrive at this homepage. So for the first step, we can select three options on top: the deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. For now, I will click on buy and sell and this overview will be opened. So for the first step, we can select the purchase frequency. For now, I will leave it on a one-time purchase. But if you would like to buy it with a different purchase frequency, you can select it over here. We have a daily option, a weekly, twice a month, or a monthly option. And after that, you can fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use to buy the coin. I will use €2 for this. And after that, you can select the asset you would like to buy the coin. So we would like to buy RPL, Rocket Pool. And here you can see it after I ticked it in the search bar. Select the coin. And now you have selected to buy Rocket Pool. As you can see, I'm using my Euro wallet. And I'm using euros because I'm living in the Netherlands, in Europe. But if you live in another country or region, then you can select your fiat wallet over here. As you can see, there is also an option to add a payment method. If you don't see any wallets over here, then you can simply add a payment method by clicking on this button. And after that, it will appear in this list. So for the next step, we click on review order and the total amount we are going to spend will be shown. As you can see, I'm purchasing €1.01 of Rocket Pool and the Coinbase fee is 99 cents. The total amount we are spending is €2 and they also give an option to invest on a weekly base. As you know, we are just going to purchase a one-time purchase and I will leave it on no for now. If you want to buy these coins, then you simply click on buy now and then they will be added directly to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you, bye bye.